Hi again, and welcome to another edition of the Fresh Shopping Network from the Countryside Kitchen here at the beautiful American Countryside Farmers Market. I'm Craig, this is Courtney, and we're here to talk about local products, local services from beautiful people. I mean, local merchants and businesses, Courtney, that are making a difference in our community, giving back to the people that live here in terms of having products and services that really are top of the line. You're not going to find it any better than local.
That's right. Shopping local is so important, and we emphasize that every week to show low. And it's so great that we, have this show. We're able to do this, that people want to participate. They're participating because we're getting such a great response. And these people that you're going to meet, the faces, you can put to the names to the faces when you shop local. You're going to meet some today.
All right. It is good, and part of that mix includes Just for Kids and also Ruby, and they help you with some great-looking duds every week.
They do. They're down in Warsaw, and Ruby is off of Buffalo Street, or excuse me, Market Street. They moved. Apologize for that. Market Street in Warsaw, and today I have a Green Dragon shirt on, and they also carry one-of-a-kind jewelry by Allie, and she's a local jewelry artist, so that's really important. And I know Jen and Julie are really, they see the importance of finding local jewelers, finding the local jewelry, and they have that at the store. It's really unique and really fun. So lots of fun clothes down there, and then Green Dragon is my top. And you can go to her website, areyourubygirl.com, to find out what lines they carry and things like that. Can't buy on there yet, but you can find out their address and phone number and all that good stuff.
Yeah, that'd be good to sneak a peek on the website first and then go over to Ruby and check out the great pricing and the great products. And they do have a price range that really goes beyond what most people think. It's very affordable, and if you want to spend a little bit more and get something a little bit nicer, you can do that too.
That's right. It's a boutique, so of course they're going to have some of the higher end stuff, but they definitely have things that are affordable. Great jeans from any price range, tops, jewelry, anything you could want.
Well, picture that. Let's talk about photography, as we make the transition. And Amy Beers, very busy with My Dreams Photography.
That's right. She's out of Elkhart. She likes to do on-location photo shoots, and she specializes in portrait photography. So if you're looking for senior pictures, I know right now is a great time with the fall setting to do those. Maybe some family photos before it gets really cold. Yep. Just anything outdoors right now. I would totally take advantage of it because it's a great time to do it. She does a great job. As you can see on the screen, she does a lot of the engagement, senior pictures, and a lot of fun pictures. She's a lot of fun to work with. I would highly encourage checking her out. You're going to save money when you get packages, when you purchase packages through her, and she also has an FSN special running. It's 25% off entire purchase, including the portrait session. So she has payment plans available. You're going to get your disc-free, all that, unlimited wardrobe change. She really pulls the stops for you. So make sure to check her out, mydreamsphotography.com. Or you can call her at 215-2963.
If ever I had to do my high school graduation pictures over again, it would be Amy, because it would be so different, but so cool, cutting edge. It's fun looking.
She does. She finds places that are really unique. Maybe when you walk up to your photo shoot, you think, come on, Amy, what are you thinking? And then you see the picture and you go, okay, I know what you were thinking.
She's a visionary, isn't she?
She is. She's an artist.
Yeah. Well, check it out, My Dreams Photography, and we thank Amy Beers for being a part of our program here today. And we thank American Sunspace Editions. They are guaranteeing the lowest price when it comes to those 3- and 4-season sunrooms that are additions to your home. And you can look at some of their work. It's incredible. But this is a local business. They've been around since 1976. Not only do they manufacture here in Elkhart, but they also have a showroom at the Concord Mall. And Courtney, we were there not long ago, and I was amazed at what I saw inside the Concord Mall showroom at American Sunspace. A lot of variety, and how they got those additions in there, I'll never know.
I think they might have built them into the showroom, but if you're on the fence, no pun intended, about getting this, I would highly encourage going to that showroom, because that will make your decision right there. You'll be able to walk inside, see what kind of options you're able to get. It'll make your decision for you.
Yeah, it will. And you might find some other pricing out there that looks competitive, but the guarantee at American Sunspace Editions, they will meet or beat any competitor pricing. And they are here local. They've been here since '76, so you're not going to run into a problem where someone comes and does a sunroom for you, and then 3 months later you've got an issue and they're gone. They're out of town. You won't find that with American Sunspace. Give them a call. The 800 number is 1-800-498-3305. If you mention the Fresh Shopping Network and you go ahead and purchase one of those 3- or 4-season sunrooms, you're going to get a discount. In fact, they're going to give you actually another couple $1,000 in cash, plus an option of another $1,000 on top of that, or an air conditioning or heating system for your sunroom. So now's the time. American Sunspace, at least give them a call. Get the ball rolling, 800-498-3305. Charles E. Salon, busy, right down the way from Concord Mall, and they're doing a lot of hair these days, aren't they?
Oh, absolutely. They're always busy, and it's great because they're full dimensional there. They do everything that you want. I know Les really specializes on the men's end, and Josh it specializes in the women's end, and they do a really great job. They love what they're doing. I know we joked about last week about now's the time to get those good cuts because you got lots of holiday pictures coming around. Yeah. Time to get the good cut because, like we said, you don't want to look back to Thanksgiving 2009, Christmas 2009, and think, what was I thinking?
That's a good point. Now's the time to really get that look going because you're right. Those pictures are taken, and you can't do anything, can you, with a picture that maybe Amy has taken of you? You can't change that, right?
They always come back to haunt you. So make sure to go down there, check them out. Get a great cut for the holiday season. You won't regret it.
Do you still have that pink extension from Josh?
No, it's November now, so I took it out. But, it stayed in. That did not move at all. It stayed in, got lots of compliments on it. So hopefully a lot of people went out there and did that.
Well, Josh Eads, Les Eads, they do a wonderful job, again, at Charles E. Salons. Give them a call, won't you, at 522-1880, 522-1880. Up next is the Concord Mall. We've already spoken about Concord Mall a little bit, Court, but they've got a wonderful array of merchants, local merchants, providing local products and services. But what Concord Mall does that really sets them apart from the rest is they really involve the community. We've talked about the Shop Score Win program, which donates cash dollars back to the local schools. But they have a fall and holiday event schedule that beats any fall and holiday event schedule I've seen. I mean, it is full of items, isn't it?
It is. They're so on top of things there, and every day has something fun, I feel like. And we always have great events to tell you about. And I know November is really exciting because one of my favorite people gift giver is coming to town. So
yeah, that just jolly Roly, who's that guy in the red suit, the guy with the white beard?
I think his name is Santa Claus.
Santa Claus, yeah, he's coming to town. Santa's Arrival Parade is coming up this Saturday at 11 o'clock in the morning at Concord Mall. So, hey, call the neighbors, wake up the kids. It's the Saturday Santa Arrival Parade, 11 o'clock this Saturday morning at Concord Mall. And before that, actually, it kicks off the week with the Winter Fashion Week with a holiday showcase. That goes on all week long. But again, this Saturday, Santa comes to town at Concord Mall beginning at 11 a.m.
That fashion show sounds like it would be a good time. I like the winter especially. Sometimes you don't know how to wear your clothes a little bit with all the new fashions and styles coming out, so they'll probably showcase that pretty well.
Absolutely. And Santa, he's a fashion mogul, too. I mean, this guy knows how to dress. Likes red a lot, I noticed. He doesn't really play around with any other colors. Hey, Northside CarQuest is busy. They are really busy this time of year winterizing your vehicle. It is so important. I mean, you don't understand the importance of winterization until you have a problem. But it's so important to call right now at Northside CarQuest and Northside Auto Center. They've got a wonderful program going on with oil changes as low as $19.99 for most cars and trucks. They've got the products there, of course, from CarQuest, and they've got the service center attached to their building, again, on County Road 6, right next to Lowe's and across from Walmart. You can't miss it. Family owned and operated since the early 60s. And Courtney, I know you have gone there with your vehicle, and it is something that you put a lot of trust into, isn't it? When you go and give your car to someone to work on and they get it right.
That's right. You can absolutely trust them. When you walk in, they're going to introduce themselves to you. You're going to know them all by name. Really fun people, and they let you know why they're doing what they're doing, may suggest some things that you might want to do, and they're not trying to twist your arm into doing anything that you don't want. They're really looking out for your best interest, and they're going to give you some great deals while they're doing it.
Last thing you want is a phone call saying, we can do all this, and you're going to have a $2,000 bill when you come back to pick your car up. You don't want those kinds of surprises. And you can rest assured that Northside CarQuest will handle your car right and do it at a good price. Give them a call, 264-4139. Northside CarQuest. Again, County Road 6 North, Elkhart, next to Lowe's and across from Walmart. Well, Court, off to a good start, and we will be back with more here on the Fresh Shopping Network in just a moment, so stay tuned.